Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss the introduction to data mining, features of data mining, types of data mining, and the challenges involved in implementing the data mining tools and techniques in real world. Data mining is the process of sorting large data sets to identify patterns and relationships which can be used to solve business problems through data analysis. Data mining tools and techniques will help the enterprises to predict future trends and to make well informed business decisions. While making informed business decisions, we can achieve the business goals easily. To run the enterprises effectively, we should make informed business decisions. To make informed business decisions, we can use data mining tools and techniques. This involves exploring the data using various techniques like clustering, classification, regression analysis, association mining, and anomaly detection. When talking about the features of data mining, data extraction is the main feature. We are having many type of data sources. The data sources are in the form of structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. We are getting data from emails, text documents, images, and table forms, and so on. We have to extract useful and productive information or productive data from the available data. So the first thing is to we have to extract data from the various sources. This is the main feature of data mining. And in data mining, we are having a large size of data set. The data sets are more difficult to process manually. To enable the extraction process, we can use data mining tools and techniques because of their size. And the third one is pattern discovery. The main objective of data mining is to find hidden patterns and connections between the data which are available in our enterprise. While understanding the relationship between the data, we can make proper, even well informed decisions which can be used to improve our business growth. This can be achieved by using association, correlation between the data. And the next is predictive modeling. Data mining tools and techniques are used to forecast future trends or events by using the historical data. By using the historical data, we can predict the future events and we can plan our business plans also. By using this, we can easily plan, or we can easily decide the next thing what we have to do in the business so that we can achieve the goal easily. To enable predictive modeling, we can use regression analysis and machine learning algorithms also. The another type of data mining is descriptive modeling. In descriptive modeling, we can get the summarizations from the historical data which is available. This is more helpful in industries, organizations, and even in government policies also. And multidisciplinary approach. Data mining tools and techniques involve many features from statistics, computer science, machine learning, and database management. And data mining tools and techniques involves an iterative process. To improve the performance, we should we should repeatedly work out the data which is available in our hand. This helps to improve the models and we can make better decisions also. Scalability. While we are having a large number of and a large size of data set, the data mining tool and techniques should be the capability of scalability. Data visualization, this is the most important feature of data mining. Data mining tools can be used to visualize the data which is available. By using data visualization techniques, we can make the patterns which are undiscovered in the past. Data visualization tools helps the helps the user to understand more clearly about the data privacy and security. Since data mining process involves sensitive information, it should be kept as, it should be legal, and it should be according to the moral issues. And we can apply data mining tools and techniques in the real world. Like in real world, we are getting data from many domains like marketing, finance, healthcare, education, fraud detection, recommendation systems, and so on. In every application, we can use the data mining tools and techniques. And data mining process involves continuous learning, which means we have to frequently updated and adjusted the new data. It should be ready to accept the new data, and it should be able to alter the new changes according to the circumstances, because we are using data from real world. And evaluation and validation, before going to before going to implement the data which is available in the data mining tools and techniques, we have to evaluate and validate the accuracy of data. This is more important. So these are the features which should be available, which should be satisfied in the data mining tools and techniques. Types of data mining. Data mining tools can be divided into two. Number one is predictive data mining analysis, descriptive data mining analysis. In predictive data mining analysis, the tool is used to predict the future trends. We can predict the future events also. By using this, we can predict the rate. We can predict the number of passengers who are attending the conference or the festival. By using this, we can make the plannings according to this. Predictive data mining can be solved by classification analysis, regression analysis, prediction analysis, and time series analysis. In descriptive data mining tool, which is used to summarize the relevant information or a specific information. This can be done by using clustering analysis, summarization analysis, association rule analysis, sequence discovery analysis. These are the challenges while implementing data mining tools. Data quality. First thing is data quality. The data should be high in quality, which means the accuracy, completeness, consistency of the data should be in high, because the data may suffer from errors, omissions, duplications, inconsistencies, which may lead to inaccurate results. If the input is inaccurate, then we are getting the inaccurate result only. So that the data should be high in quality. So first thing is we have to check the quality of the data what we are using for data mining and data mining technique. Data privacy and security. Since many data we are collecting from humans, and this may contain personal or sensitive information, or sometimes it may contain confidential information. It should be protected. For protection of sensitive data and confidential information, we are using GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA regulations. These GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA are legal advisories, and the data collection and data implementation should obey the regulations according to the regional level. Scalability. Data mining algorithms must be scalable to handle large data sets efficiently. We are getting live data, and we are getting streaming data, and this live data and streaming data is the size of the size of the streaming data and the size of the real time data is undetermined, so that the data mining algorithm should be scalable according to the size of the data which is currently available. And this is the major problem of implementing data mining tools. This one is interpretability. Interpretability is changing the changing the data to a standard format. For to enable to interpret the data in a standard format, we are using statistical and mathematical techniques. This is more challenging to the data mining experts, because sometimes the users may give the data in the format may vary according to the user. Many users use many formats, and we have to change the data in a standard format. This is the major problem in implementing the data mining tools and techniques. To address this challenge, data mining experts are using visualization techniques to represent the data and the models visually. While representing the data in visual format, we can easily understand the data. This is the most challenging one in data implementing and data mining implementation process. I hope we have covered the introduction to data mining, features of data mining, types of data mining, and the challenges involved in data mining process. Thank you.